Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
So what is placenta previa? So placenta is a organ or a thing that supplies the nutrition from mother to the baby. So the placenta inside the womb that is formed either on the anterior wall or the posterior wall or the fundus या फिर नीचे. So sometimes the placenta is in a lower level of the uterus. So what happens, the more you are exercising, the more you are walking, the more you are sitting, the more active you are, there may be chances of bleeding. Okay. So baby will be fine, but your activity, like as it increases, this is a sonography finding only. Achha. It can be seen only on an ultrasound in 3rd month. Then mostly the placenta migrates up in 5th month or 7th month. But there are times when after 7th month also the placenta doesn't go up. As the uterus pulls itself up, the placenta migrates. So there are sometimes after 7th month it is not pulled up. So we tell the patient to be in a bed rest. Okay. So then again the stress levels should be low. The food should be restricted. Light exercises, because you cannot do too much of exercises. Right. Certain good mantras which you can lie down and listen to, so that whatever
Calm.
baby is there, calmness should
Right.
be there. And again in this case rest is required, because once the bleeding starts, initially we have to admit, we have to give certain medicines to stop the bleeding. Okay. But if it is too much, sometimes we have to deliver the baby at early preterm, that is
Right.
20 or 30 weeks also.
Gee.
So in a placenta previa cases, we always give a steroid coverage. So again, steroid brings a scare in patients.
Yeah, the word steroid.
Steroid.
True.
This steroid is important for the lung development of the baby. So anytime we see any high risk pregnancy, around 30-32 weeks, we give this steroid.
Okay.
So in case we have to deliver the baby at before 34 weeks, the lungs of the baby is mature. So you don't have to be scared about the steroid part.
Got it.
Yes. So placenta previa, again, it has to be well monitored, like whether it has gone up or not. And if you are having a complete placenta previa, you have to deliver in a place where there is blood bank and everything. Mm-hmm. And it is a planned delivery. Even if it is low, just the margin is touching, you just need rest. You need to plan a date for the delivery, and you have to. Obviously, in this case, you cannot have a normal delivery in a placenta previa, because as the baby comes down, it will push the placenta, and you may start bleeding. Now that bleeding will stop the blood supply to the baby.
Okay.
Yes, so that is why a C-section will be required in such placenta previa.